My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called AttackSystem. This AttackSystem is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that something bad has taking place with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware called AttackSystem. So the ransomware encrypts all the files and damages them all essentially. So it is very soon impossible to use the files to open the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay that ransom, you may simply waste your money. So we urge you not to pay the ransom because you may simply waste the money for nothing without getting data restored. So at the lapse of some time, users realize the negative impact of this ransomware on the data. The ransomware actually encrypts all these files, and it is very soon just impossible to open these files anymore. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. This special extension is appended to the files, and the extension is called AttackSystem. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom and not to trust these ransomware developers. They don't keep their words. We recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with the help of a reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program. After it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, and surely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. At the lapse of some time, you would see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. You may always request for the free trial, by the way. Premium license helps to protect the data with its anti-ransomware feature. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations. So to sum up, premium license is what you need for getting your files protected from further ransomware attacks.